Hey friends, my name is Bilal Khan and today I'm going to update the password in this proctl project. So the first thing that I need to do, as you can see here, that I'm currently present in the update.go file that is present in the profile directory. So let me just scroll down and add one more flag here like this, copy it and paste it here. Alright, so the flag would be for password. So let's write the password here and give the flag S. Alright. So basically I have set the P flag already for the phone, so that's the reason that I'm using the S flag for the password that is secret. So if there are one alphabet is used multiple times, then it won't be acceptable. So you need to keep this in mind. Then in order to give the flags, you need to change the alphabets. All right, here. So T for the title. So there is no other T present here, and similarly there should not be another P present here. So that's the reason that I have set the S here. So let's write the password to update. All right. So this is a message. And once it is set, what I need to do, I need to scroll up and write a variable by the name of profile password like this. All right, and give the account name, change it and write password here like this. All right. After that, I need to use this password also. So what I will do, I will first of all copy this variable name. Instead of copying it, I will copy this one from here, and after that I will paste it here like this. And instead of writing account name, I will remove it and write profile password. Once it is done, what I need to do, I need to use it in the update user, because the password is present in the user or in the sign up table, not in the profile table. So that's the thing that you need to keep in mind. So I will change the 3 string from 3 to 4, and similarly here I will change the 3 string from 3 string to 4 strings, because the password will also be updated. So I will write profile password, and after that profile password like this. Alright, so I need to write this in a correct spelling, so that's I made a mistake here, so yeah, here like this. Alright, so the profile spelling I need to write it correctly like this. Alright, so now this will work, and now it is saying me that the user data, it is basically the update user functionality that is present in the MySQL database is not accepting it. Why? Because it is demanding 3 strings, but I have given it 4. So that's the thing that you need to keep in mind. So what I will do here, so these are the things that I have modified in this file. So now let's go to the what you can say the update.go file and go to the update user functionality. All right, so first of all, let me just change it from 3 to 4 like this. And once it is done, what I will write the passwords here. All right, because that's also the thing that I want to update, passwords like this. All right, after that, once it is done, as you can see here, that 0 for the full name, value 1 for the account name, and value 2 will be for the password. So let me just first of all work on this value 0, because I also need to add some things here. Like first of all, let me just copy it and paste it here, and give the account and the password out like this. And after that, let's write the account password. All right, so this is the what you can say, the full name, this is the account name, and after that the password would be like this, get password like this, and after that the value 3 would be the flag that or is active status, that whether the user is active or not. All right, so I have changed this from 3 string to 4 strings, and the first one will be the full name, the second one will be the account name, the third one will be the password that will be updated. All right, and currently it will not be updated in this if statement, but I will change it in another if statement. But that's the thing that I'm just showing it here, that this will enter the password as the old value. All right, so if the old value, if this password is not updated, so it will enter it as an old value, so it will not change it, except this one will be changed. So this is the thing that I have told you in my previous video. So you need to keep watching my previous video also, so that you can better understand it. After that, let me just copy this and paste it here. And similarly, this is the full name, this is going to be the account name, and after that the password would be written here like get password. All right, and now the value 2 will be value 3. All right, after that, now let's copy this statement again and paste it here like this. All right, so now the value 2 will be the, what you can say, value 2 will be the password. All right, account password, and this is going to be the value 2. All right, so this is value 0, value 1, value 2, and value 3. So these are the things that I have set up like this. After that, what I need to do is to copy this account name, and instead of writing password here, I will paste the account name here. And once it is done, what I need to do is to first of all, let me just write the hash pass also, because that's also the thing that I need to update. All right, so when the user will update the password and when the user will give a new password, so that new password will be first of all converted into the hash value, and that hash value will be inserted or updated into the MySQL database. So that's the reason that I'm writing the hash password here, because I want to convert this hash password, that is a normal string, and I will convert it into a hash password, and then I will update it into the MySQL database. So first of all, what I will write what you can say hash password, hash password, and this hash password basically is not present in this file. So what I will do, I will go to the signup.go file, and inside this file I will copy this and remove it from here. And what I will do, I will go to the middleware.go file, and I will write paste this function here. All right, so now let's go to the signup.go file here, and I need to call this hash password properly by writing middleware, and after that .go. And once it is done, after that let's go to the update.go file. Similarly, I will call this hash password in this by writing middleware.go, and now it will not give me an error. So let's write values 2. All right, so now this value 2 that the user will enter, it will be converted into the hash value, and that hash value will be inserted into the MySQL database as an updated value. All right, so that's the reason that I have put it here. So now this is the get full name, and after that get what you can say get account account name. All right, get account name, get full name, get account name, and this is the hash password or the value 2 that I am going to update, that I have updated here, and this is the is active status. So this will be written as it is. After that, let's write some another file, the variable, sorry, that will be get account email. So let's make it equal to Redis get account info account email. So I need to call this email in a function called set credentials. So this set credentials will basically set up the email address or the password. All right, so this functionality set credential will set the hash password as a new value into the Redis database. So now the previous password will be removed from it, and new password that will be updated here. So it will also be added into the Redis database so that a user can log in or again if he wants to. So yeah, so let's write email. So the email would be account email, account what you can say password. So the password would be hash password. All right, so with the help of this new updated password, a user can easily log in. If I didn't set this set credentials, then it will not allow me to log in. All right, so that's the thing that you need to keep in mind. After that, let's write what you can say full name. So the get account full name or get full name and get account name. All right. So now this is the updated password that I have written it here. All the details will be the same except this password, because this is now going to be updated, and this same password will be make me able to log in. All right. So after that, it is done now. Let's move to the update.go file and see whether it is yeah. Here you can see here that this is giving me a typo, so I will write passwords correctly. Once it is done, let's go to the verify.go file, because it's also giving me an error. So I need to write the account password here, like account password also, like this. All right, so let's change it the string from 3 to 4 like this. Now it will not give me an error. So after that, let's go upward, save this, save this, save this, save this, and save this. Now what I need to do, I first of all write go install. After that, proctl sign up. So I need to first of all sign up. All right, vainstream@gmail.com, and password 1122. And now let me just write what you can say. Our full name is Vainstream and account name is Vains. All right, like this. So if I press enter on this, you will see that your account is successfully created. So if I open the MySQL database, select from sign up. Now you can see here that this is the Vainstream account, and this is the full name, account name, and this is the password that is written here. So it is now converted into the hash password. So when I will update this password, this password will be changed into another password, but that password will also be converted into the hash value. So yeah, so let me just write, first of all clear this and write proctl update, and let's write s, because if I show you like this, help, you will see that s is present for the password, as you can see here like this. All right, specified to update the password. So let me just clear it and write update and s. So the s, let's say I have given the password previously 1122, so now I will give 4455. all right, so if I press enter on this, you will see that your profile data is successfully updated. Now as you can see here that this is the password last digit, that is XXS. So if I enter and give you the sign up details again, you will see that now the details are updated. Previously it was XXS, now it is ZSE. So this password is changed and all the details are present as it is. All right, so now this is the updated password. And after that, there is one thing that you also need to write. I have forgotten about it, and that is you also need to let's say Redis delete token, login token like this. All right, so basically this login token will be deleted, and it as a result the user will be logged out. All right, so if I show you proctl status, as you can see here that it is still showing me that the Vains account is logged in. All right, so after making some modifications here by deleting the token, so the user will be logged out, and as a result you need to log in again with a new password. So this is the functionality that I have added here. So now let me just make it work for you. Go install. All right, and once it is done, let's say first of all let's write log out. Once it is log out, I will write proctl login. The new password is going to be, first of all, email Vainstream like this, and now the password would be 1122. As you can see here that it is not allowing me. If I show you proctl status, you will see that the user is logged out. So what I will do, I will update log in with a new email and a new password. So yeah, @gmail 4455. But now as you can see that I'm correctly logged in, so it should show you Vains is logged in. But let me just log out again, but instead of logging out, I will keep the account as it is, as a logged in. So now let's update it. All right, because I need to make this work. All right, so let's write proctl update, what you can say s for the password. This time it would be 2233. all right, so now the profile data is successfully updated. If I type proctl status, you will see that user is logged out. All right, so now it is not allowing me to log in. Instead I have to log in with a new password. So let me just write proctl login for the email like this, Vainstream and password. Let's say if I type 4455, it will not allow me. All right, so if I show you proctl status, you will see that I'm logged out. But similarly, if I type 2233, you will see that you are successfully logged in. So if I write proctl status again, you will see that Vains is logged in. So this is how it will work. Although you can cancel it also, but it will just keep you updated that the user password is changed, and then after that you need to log in again. So that's it for now. After that, let me just write git status, because I also need to update the git. These are the modifications that I have done in these 5 files. So what I will do, I will write git commit am, and what you can see, updated the worked on updating the password. So now these things are added. If I type git status again, you will see these are the things that are done. Remote v. All right. After that, let's write git push origin master. All right. So now these changes are added. If I show you, so let's refresh this page, 31 commits, or let's refresh it. As you can see here, 32 commits. All right. So yeah, let's open this comment. Worked on updating the password. So now this functionality is now added here. So yeah, that's it for now. I hope you liked this video. So if you liked it, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, then ask those questions in the comment section below. I'll be happy to answer all of them. So till then, goodbye.